Welcome to day 4 of the series, how to go from where you are to where you want to be. In day 3 of the series, we had discussed, unless and until you create a necessity for your goals, you're going to give up. You will not even start, right? Your goals remain as goals. But the question is, how do you create the necessity to get what you want? There are two ways. Let me give you my own example. After my second kid, I have put on a lot of weight, right? I have to reduce at least 14 kgs of weight for me to come back to a very good weight for my height. So now, how do I create the necessity for this goal? There are two ways. Way number one. What will happen if I do not lose 14 kgs of weight in the next 6 months or 1 year or 9 months, whatever is the time period, right? What will happen? So 14 kgs of weight I don't lose, or maybe I'm the same, or maybe 1 or 2 kgs reduce, or maybe I'll put on more. What will happen? Fat in the body increases. What is going to happen because of that? Cholesterol can increase. It can cause me more tiredness, fatigue, constipation, diarrhea. It can cause migraine. It can cause eyesight issues. It can cause so many things, right? Acne. It can cause hormone issues. So what's going to happen if I'm affected by these? My visit to doctors, the frequency of that increases, right? So what's going to happen because of that? Money is going to go, time is going to go, and I'm putting more chemicals into my body. And what is going to happen because of that? My career can go for a toss. My coaching can go for a toss, which means my financial goals is going to take a very big hit. And what is going to happen eventually, if I become more tired, even doing the normal activities can become very challenging. So my quality time with my family can fade away. Can you see? Slowly, just a matter of 1 or 2 or 3 years, my life with a very great speed is going away from me. Why? Because I was not disciplined enough to lose unwanted 14 kgs of weight, which can be fat. Correct? Oh my God, I cannot be financially dependent on other person. Oh my God, I cannot become so ill-healthy person so that I don't even get time for my kids. I might not be a good mother. I will not be there for them when they need me. Oh my God, it is so pathetic. Seriously, I mean, it is so pathetic. Therefore, I'm going to be very healthy. I'll exercise. I'll eat right kind of foods. Of course, I'm a human being. 1 day in a week or 2-3 days in a month, it's okay. But most of the time, I'm going to eat healthy foods. I do exercise. I sleep on time. I wake up on time. I drink more water. I keep my emotions stability very, very good level, right? Emotional stability. That's what I meant. Correct? So now I have created a necessity. So this is way one of creating. By inducing pain, what is going to happen 3 years from now? Why 3 years? Because 3 years is not a very big amount of time for you to lose sight. Correct? 3 years, okay, fine. I can predict somehow how my life should be. And 3 years is not so less that it just goes away like this. So 3 years is a very good time. 3 years from now, if I do not achieve this goal, 3 years from now, how crap my life can be. This is way one of creating a necessity by inducing the pain. Way two of creating the necessity. If I lose 14 kgs of weight, I can become more fit, more handsome, more beautiful. I can fit into those small and medium sized clothes. I can be more energetic. I can be jumping with my kids. I'll be playing with them. And this increases my good hormones, right? And the symptoms will go away, whatever is existing, if at all. And the root cause of any of the ailments will go away. This increases me performing really well in my career, in my coaching business. This increases my probability of achieving more money, achieving my financial goals much easily. And I'll be with my family whenever they need me. And even I have them, of course, whenever I need them. So, wow, life becomes so beautiful. After being a mother of 2 kids, if I'm so fit and healthy, beautiful, handsome, energetic, I may be a source of inspiration for other ladies as well, right? Wow, what a beautiful thing. I really want to lose this unwanted 14 kgs of weight, man, right? This is way 2 of creating necessity for your goals, which is pleasure. Way 1 is by inducing pain. Way 2 is by inducing pleasure. However you want to do, that's your choice. But unless and until you create a necessity for what you want, you will never achieve it. I just want to say one more thing. Let's say 3 years from now, if I do not achieve this, what's going to happen? That's okay. It's okay if I'm overweight. It's okay if I get diseases. It's okay, be happy with what you have. It's okay, I don't mind. If that is my state, then that goal itself is not my goal. No, that strike it off. For you, let's say that you are earning 50,000 per month and your aim in the next 1 year is to double your income. Yeah, it will be nice if I increase my income, if I double my income. But it's okay if it doesn't happen, what to do? 50,000, I'm happy. If that is what your statement is, please strike it, because that is not at all your goal. Because goal is a serious business. Okay? See you in the next video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please like this video so that I can reach more people like you, where I'll get more satisfaction. If it is helping lots of people, that is how you can motivate me.